Welcome to English Silver.
Emotional adjectives and dialogues. Happy, you feel good and smile.
How are you?
I am happy. I got a new toy. Sad, you feel bad and want to cry.
Why are you sad?
My ice cream fell on the ground. Angry, you feel mad and want to shout.
Are you angry?
Yes, my brother broke my toy. Tired, you need to sleep or rest.
You look tired.
Yes, I didn't sleep last night. Hungry, you need to eat food.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I want a sandwich. Thirsty, you need to drink water.
Do you want water?
Yes, I am thirsty. Scared, you feel afraid. Something is dangerous.
Why are you scared?
I saw a big dog. Excited, you are very happy about something fun.
Why are you excited?
We are going to the zoo. Bored, you have nothing to do and feel tired.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I am bored. Surprised, something happens that you did not expect.
Look, it's your birthday cake.
Wow. I am surprised. Thank you. Nervous, you are worried and your heart beats fast.
Are you nervous?
Yes, I have a test today. Cold, you need a sweater. The weather is not warm.
It is cold outside.
Yes, I need a jacket. Hot, you need a fan or water. The weather is very warm.
It's so hot today.
I need some ice cream. Confused, you don't understand something.
Do you understand this game?
No, I am confused. Fine, you are okay, not bad, not good.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. Hurt, you feel pain. Maybe you fall or cut your hand.
What happened?
I fell down and hurt my knee. Jealous, you want what another person has.
She has a new bike.
I am jealous. I want a new bike too. Lonely, you are alone and want friends or family.
Why are you sitting alone?
I feel lonely. I want to play with friends. Proud, you feel good because you or someone did something well.
I got an A on my test.
Wow, I am proud of you. Annoyed, you feel a little angry because something is bothering you.
Is that noise annoying you?
Yes, I am annoyed. It's too loud. Calm, you feel peaceful. No worries or stress.
Are you okay now?
Yes, I feel calm. Brave, you are not scared. You can do something difficult.
You are not scared of the dark?
No, I am brave. Disappointed, you wanted something, but it did not happen.
Did you win the game?
No, I lost. I am disappointed. Friendly, you are kind and like to make friends.
Is she nice?
Yes, she is very friendly. Grateful, you feel thankful for something or someone.
I helped you with your homework.
Thank you. I am grateful. Diaries. Happy. Today, I am happy. My mom gave me a new book. I like it very much. Sad. I am sad today. My friend is moving to another city. I will miss him. Angry. I got angry today because my brother took my pencil. I told him to give it back. Tired. I feel tired. I played football for 2 hours. Now I want to sleep. Hungry. I am hungry now. I did not eat lunch. I want pizza. Thirsty. It was hot outside. I am thirsty. I drank a big glass of water. Scared. At night, I heard a noise. I was scared. I turned on the light. Excited. Tomorrow is my birthday. I am very excited. I will have a party with my friends. Bored. Today was boring. I had nothing to do. I watched TV all day. Surprised. My dad came home early today. I was surprised. We went to the park together. Nervous. I am nervous because I have a test tomorrow. I hope I do well. Cold. It is very cold today. I wore my big coat. I want to drink hot chocolate. Hot. Today is hot and sunny. I went to the beach. I had ice cream. Confused. I am confused about my homework. I do not understand the questions. Fine. Today was a normal day. Nothing special happened. I feel fine. Hurt. I fell off my bike today. My leg hurts. Mom put a bandage on it. Jealous. My friend got a new phone. I feel a little jealous. I want a new phone too. Lonely. My family went out. I stayed home alone. I felt lonely. Proud. I finished my project. It looks good. I am proud of my work. Annoyed. My little sister keeps asking me questions. I am annoyed. I want to read my book. Calm. Today, I feel calm. I listened to soft music. It was nice. Brave. I saw a spider in my room. I did not run away. I am brave. Disappointed. I wanted to go to the park, but it rained. I am disappointed. Friendly. I made a new friend at school. She is friendly. We played together. Grateful. My teacher helped me with my homework. I am grateful to her. Stories. Happy. Anna got a puppy for her birthday. The puppy is small and cute. Anna is very happy. She plays with the puppy every day. Sad. John lost his favorite toy car. He looked everywhere, but he could not find it. John feels sad. He wants his toy car back. Angry. Lisa made a big sandcastle at the beach. Her brother ran and broke it. Lisa got angry. She said, "Don't do that." Tired. Sam played soccer all day. He scored 3 goals. Now, Sam is tired. He wants to lie down and rest. Hungry. Mia came home from school. She opened the fridge. "I am so hungry," she said. She made a sandwich and ate it quickly. Thirsty. Ben ran around the park. He felt hot and thirsty. He asked his mom, "Can I have some water?" His mom gave him a cold drink. Scared. At night, Emma heard a noise outside. She was scared. She looked out the window and saw a cat. Emma laughed, it was just a cat. Excited. Tim's family is going to the zoo tomorrow. Tim is excited. He wants to see the lions and the elephants. He can't wait. Bored. Sarah had no friends to play with today. She was bored. She looked for something fun to do. She found a puzzle and started to solve it. Surprised. Max opened his lunchbox. Inside, he found a big chocolate bar. "Wow. I am surprised," Max said. His mom put it there for him. Nervous. Amy has a school play today. She is nervous. She hopes she remembers her lines. Her mom says, "You will do great." Cold. Jake went outside in the winter. It was very cold. He put on his hat, scarf, and gloves. "Brrr, it's freezing," Jake said. Hot. Lily is at the park on a sunny day. She feels hot. She sits under a tree for shade and drinks lemonade. "Ah, much better," she says. Confused. Tom read a book with a lot of new words. He felt confused. He asked his dad, "What does this word mean?" His dad explained it. Fine. After school, Noah played video games. He didn't win, but he still had fun. "I'm fine," Noah said. "I'll win next time." Hurt. Sophie fell off her bike. Her knee hurt. She cried a little, but her mom gave her a bandage. Now it feels better, Sophie said. Jealous. Emily's friend got a new bike. It was red and shiny. Emily felt jealous. She wanted a new bike too. But she smiled and said, "Your bike is nice." Lonely. Peter's friends went on vacation. He stayed home alone. Peter felt lonely. He called his grandma and talked for a long time. It made him feel better. Proud. Jack helped his little sister tie her shoes. She said, "Thank you." Jack felt proud. He likes helping others. Annoyed. Kate's cat kept jumping on her desk. Kate was annoyed. "Stop it, Kitty," she said. The cat meowed and jumped down. Calm. Olivia listened to the sound of the rain. She felt calm. She liked the soft noise. It made her feel happy and relaxed. Brave. Alex saw a big dog. The dog looked scary. But Alex was brave. He walked slowly and said, "Hello, dog." The dog wagged its tail. Disappointed. Mary wanted to go to the playground. But it started to rain. Mary was disappointed. She stayed inside and read a book instead. Friendly. Zoe saw a new girl at school. The girl looked shy. Zoe went to her and said, "Hi. Do you want to play?" The new girl smiled. Zoe was friendly. Grateful. Leo forgot his lunch. His friend shared a sandwich with him. "Thank you," Leo said. He was grateful for his friend's kindness.